Let's unbox the 5-day reset. Here's what it looks like when you get it. You're gonna get 5 days of everything that you're gonna eat and drink, plus you're gonna add a few add-ons, and it's one box a day. So let's go through one box and show you. This is truly a not gonna have to think about food for a whole week program. That's what I love about it. So we're gonna start our morning with a delicious, this is called a vanilla latte. It's a collagen, 10 grams of protein plus green tea extract for your energy. So this is like a coffee replacement, or if you're addicted to coffee, absolutely must have your coffee. Put this in your coffee. It's gonna be so delicious, give you lots of energy. Then you can start your morning with our new protein oats. This also has 12 grams of protein in your oatmeals, and you're going to add some delicious things like berries and nuts and other things. We've got recipes that come with the program, and you're going to get lots of support. You're also going to drink a Good Gut and Go. This is a raspberry flavored drink that is your probiotics and your prebiotics, going to keep you a healthy gut throughout the reset. Reset that. Then you're going to have a Life Shake for lunch or for a snack, and this is delicious. I drink these every single day. You also get to have a snack, and this is the toffee and chocolate crunch, 9 grams of protein. If you do the program with our add-ins, you're going to get over 100 grams of protein in your day. You are not going to feel deprived. You are going to be energized. Let's talk about some other drinks you're going to have. You're going to eat and drink every 2 hours. This is our new electrolyte drink that not only has our electrolytes, but also has nitrates to help with brain focus, get rid of that brain fog. This is our new flavor, raspberry melon. And later in the day, you'll also have another one that's blood orange. You're going to take your delicious gummy multivitamins. So we're going to fill in those nutrition gaps. And then you're going to have 2 meals that you can make our protein broth. Now this has 7 grams of protein. Just add water and add add vegetables and lean meats like chicken to this, and you're gonna have a very satisfying meal. And you get 2 of those. And then for nighttime, you're going to rest and rewind. So this is our mint flavored tea that is going to help you to get to sleep, stay asleep, but also it has our anti-aging supplement in it that's going to help repair your cells as you're sleeping. So it's a complete holistic approach to your health that focuses on nourishment, getting you all the nutrients and vitamins you need. This was designed by medical doctors and nutritionists and dietitians, and it's been tested and proven. And the people that did the pilot study said they felt energy, they felt better. They lost an average of about 3 pounds in their week. And it's just a really good way to reset your metabolism, reset your appetite, and reset your cravings. So if you'd like to know more, just send me a message and I'll get you more details. If you're ready to order your reset, let me know that too. And let's go ahead and get you a kit in the mail so you can start with us as a group. You will get all of the accountability, support, recipes, everything. But I think what I love about it most is it's everything you need in the box, but just a few add-ins you're gonna add in to add a few more calories and a little more protein. And it's just so simple. It's the easiest reset you'll ever do.